My Birthday Polynomial Project by Victor Reyes Castillo. The objective of this project was to create, characterize, and graph a polynomial function that shows who I am. First of all, we need to know my birthday, April 25, 2000. Or simple, 04/25/2000. Next, we need to get rid of the excess zeros. 04252000 will turn into simply 4252. The third step is to flip my digits. 4252 will turn into 25. Now we will need to create a polynomial project using my digits 2524. I will do this by inserting an x after every number like so. 2524 will turn into 2x, 5x, 2x, and 4x. Now it's time to make those x's have a power. I will have to give them a power in the descending order from the greatest, which is 3, to the smallest, which is 0. For example, it would be 2x cubed, 5x squared, 2x, and 4x to the 0 power. Now, the 0 power does not matter. Now it's time to make this sign alive. Put the signs in front of the numbers. For example, 2x cubed, 5x squared, 2x to the first power, and 4 will turn into 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. I did this by just simply making every number positive. Here's where we get to see my graph. Now I will graph my polynomial. And this is how it looks like. A little bit curved. As you can see in this image, it curves twice. Now it's time to analyze my polynomial. The domain is a set of all first elements of ordered pairs, x coordinates. Since the graph does not stop, its domain is infinite. Therefore, domain is x is equal to all real numbers, or from negative infinity to positive infinity. Next, let's move over to the range. The range is a set of all second elements of ordered pairs, y coordinates. Since this graph does not stop, its range is also infinite. Therefore, y is equal to all real numbers, which is from negative infinity to positive infinity. As we can see a greater amount of the graph in this picture, we can see that it goes down to negative infinity and it goes up to positive infinity. Now comes the y-intercept. The y-intercept is determined by making all its x's 0. So after we plug in a 0 everywhere there's an x, we end up with just a 4. So the y-intercept becomes the relative maximum is the coordinate that follows, and the relative minimum is the next coordinate. Now, this will be explained in the next image. The relative maximum is just the highest point besides positive infinity, and the relative minimum is the lowest point besides negative infinity. The end behavior of the graph is odd because the leading coefficient is positive, and the power of the leading coefficient is odd. The graph therefore falls to the left and rises to the right. As we can see here, the graph goes down to negative infinity and it goes up to positive infinity. So that's for the domain and the range. Now it's time to answer the big question, why this polynomial represents me. This polynomial shows not only the way my day starts off, but how it ends. I always start off being tired and lazy and not wanting to get out of bed. Then as the day progresses, I start feeling very energetic. After the last class of the day, I then feel that I'm getting tired again. At the end of the day, I start to feel that I am rested, and I end up in bed, not tired, and staying up another hour just laying in bed using my phone. Now here in the graph we see how my morning starts off with no energy, then I start feeling energetic throughout the day, and then I feel tired again. But at the end of the day, I will go to bed wide awake.
Created using Powtoon.